Today's wig is a curly Burmese curl spiral end wig. See, there's nothing but lace in this wig. There's no wefting, so you get that full versatility of parting. It also has a pre-plucked hairline. Lace is a little bit thicker than Swiss lace, so it's not that super thin lace, but it is blendable. Because it has lace all the way around, it's perfect. I see a lot of companies mostly are only giving you guys closure wigs. So I'm glad I'm able to give you guys options for those who like more parting space, lace space, especially for the prices that you're paying for these wigs. So with this specific wig, it gives you way more versatility for your money. I'll go ahead and wet the curls down a little bit, and then I'm going to install it. If you want to know how I maintain my curly wigs, definitely check out my previous video. I have a full detailed routine on how to maintain curly wigs. So I'm not going to go over everything in today's video, but if you would like to know that, just click my name, take you to my channel, and you can go through my videos. This style I'm not going to wet down too much, just a little bit. With the ends of this wig, they are coily. Usually with all the wigs I found that had the coily ends, the coils only last when the wig is fresh. So I'm just not worrying about trying to define the coils, but I am going to define the curls on the hair. Hair mousse and run and get through the hair with a little bit of water. I'm going to take my unbrush and brush through just to loosen up the hair. It's a little bit thinner in texture compared to the Burmese curlies I've dealt with. It's still super lightweight, 150% density. They do have the adjustable straps in the back. This lace is a little bit thicker, so what you want to do is, if you need to tint the lace, make sure you do that prior. So as you can see how visible it is on me, cut it all the way back. We're not leaving any lace in the front of that hairline because it will show. Now, if you do want that lace that is super thin, you can always custom made for you guys. So you can tell them what wig you want and then be like, hey, I want this type of lace instead. But the one I have just come with the standard lace. All right, it should look like that when you finish cutting. I'm gonna take my favorite spray to use right now, which is this one. And this is by Eben. This is their Silk Protein spray. Today I'm gonna spray it over top of the lace. How I keep it from getting all over the hair is just to take little squirts around the hairline. It's not that hard if you have control. And just rub it into the hairline. And I focus mostly on the edge of that lace. That way that edge can lay down really good. I'm gonna take my dryer. And of course, tie down that edge of that lace so it can lay flat. If you ever need to tint the lace on your wigs, one of my favorite brands that I have used in the past, I haven't used recently, but I came across the bottle. I don't know if they're still sold anymore, but it was by Lace Tint called True Match. Found this in my stash. And it comes in different colors. This one is bronze and they have like 4 or 5 different shades. And just a liquid you use to tint any lace. This is one of my favorite to use. And unlike the foundation, it's not gonna cake up on the edge of the lace like I told you guys and cause the lace to be visible. It's more like a liquid that tints the lace. So if I can find this company, I'm gonna link it below for you guys. If you really want that lace to go into your skin and just look really good, even though it's not super thin, a good lace tint that matches your complexion works really well. So I'm just gonna go down to parting with a little bit of this. I'll take the edge of this brush. I can't find my little brush, so I'm just gonna lightly just go down the parting. I'm gonna take my hairspray and give it volume right here at the roots with my hot comb. Y'all, so this is the finished result. One thing I love about a curly wig is that it's super easy and convenient to put on and go. You don't have to worry about curling the hair every day if you are not good with using curling irons. I will be sure to link this wig below in the description box for you guys. Don't forget to check out that curly hair routine if you want to know how to maintain your curls. That routine in that video, basically, I have been using for months now, and it works really good for all of my curly units, no matter if they're new, they're old, they're you know, super old. Now, if they're super old, they probably need a little bit more maintenance. But for the most part, it's my routine that I like to use for all of my wigs that's curly. And also for my other textures too, I just take a little steps that's different, but it's about the same. So yeah, this hair is super gorgeous. This is what the hairline looks like now. So as you can see, that lace is blended pretty good. And let me show you guys the back. All right, so everything will be linked below. I will see you guys back in my next video. Have a great weekend.